This is Let Her Cry by Hootie and Blowfish. I've chosen to teach you this song today because it's a great song for beginners, and it also translates really well to acoustic guitar since it's primarily acoustic guitars in the recording. It also makes a great song to sing along with if you're out there to impress your friends, neighbors, and girlfriends. Then you can learn this song and sing along and sound great. Let's start with the chords and then we'll move along to the verse pattern and then the chorus pattern. If you already know the G5 chord, C2 chord, D chord, and E minor chord, just move along to the next part of the lessons because those are the only chords you're going to need to know for this part. Otherwise, let's get started. We'll start on G5. And for that one, we're going to have our pinky and third finger working together on the second string and first strings, third being on second, pinky being on first. Then first finger is going to come along here to first fret on second string, and second finger is going to come down here to second fret on third string. It should sound like this when you strum it. Next up is D. For D, we're going to use our first finger on the second fret on the third string, second finger on the second fret on first string, and third finger is going to squeak in between them here to fret the note on the third fret of the second string. Should sound like this. Next we have C2, which is exactly like we saw with G5. Except we're going to take these two fingers here and move each one over one string. And for this chord, we're just going to strum from the fifth string down. So we have a nice easy switch here from G5 to C2. And by the way, when you switch to D, you can leave your third finger down and use it as leverage to move the other two. Lastly, there's E minor. E minor is going to be formed by using our first and second fingers together on the fifth string and fourth string, our first finger being on the fifth string, second finger on fourth string, both on the second fret. It should sound like this when you strum it. And there you go. There's all the chords you need to know for this song. Let's move on to the verse pattern.